Morning students, today we are going to start a new chapter, Principles of Management. Management is a science which consists well tested principles. And a principle means a fundamental statement of basic truths and provides a guide to thought and actions. As it is said that if we take the example of law of demand, we know that whenever the price decreases, the demand increases. And when the price increases, the demand decreases. That is also based on some experiences, some principles. So, so the principle of management is originated as a result of past experiences and researches. Whatever is experienced and research is made, then the principles are originated. Principles are evaluated. So these principles enable a manager to tackle his problem in a scientific and systematic manner. However, the principles of management are not hard and fast laws. They should be applied keeping in view the nature and needs of a particular situation. Means whatever principles are made, these principles are not hard and fast rules. According to the situation and according to the circumstances, conditions, these are applied by the managers in any of the organization. Now, what is the meaning of this principle of management? Principle of management are fundamental truths that explains the relationship between two or more variables under given situations. Whenever any situation occurs, two or more variables are calculated or relationship is considered, then the principles of management are originated. So principles of management originate and grow as a result of past experiences and study. So management principles are derived from the following methods. One is on the basis of observation and another on the basis of experiment. Principles are originated or evolved on the basis of observation and on the basis of experiment. So under observation method, the managers observe certain events in actual practice and they analyze what is observed and gain experience which is used in future as a guide. As in any particular situation, if something happens, we observe it and then take it as a lesson that for the future. That is also consisting, or that is also one of the methods of originating principles of management. And second is experiment method. Under this method, researchers in the field of management undertake empirical studies, and on the basis of these studies they develop certain principles and test their validity. Now next, what is the nature of principles of management? So there are 6 characteristics or nature of principles of management. First is universality. Universality. The principles of management are universally applicable. That has a universal validity. These principles can be applied in different types of organizations, whether government schools, government hospitals, private schools, private hospitals, hotels, and everywhere these principles can be applied. Second, dynamism and relativity. So see, these principles are not rigid but flexible and dynamic in nature. These principles can be modified to suit different situations and all kinds of changes in the business environment. Third, influencing human behavior. Management is a social science and it deals with human behavior. So, and human behavior is complex and cannot be tested under controlled laboratory. Therefore, principles of management are not as exact as principles of physical sciences like physics, chemistry, etc. because it is based on human behavior. Under principles of management, under management, we work with humans and human behavior cannot be tested and it is not rigid at all and it is not same in all the conditions. So here the principle of management is also has the influence of human behavior. Next is flexibility. The principles of management are relative and not absolute. They are dynamic, not static. These principles should be applied carefully according to organizational needs and prevalent situation. Next, cause and effect relationship. Principles of management indicate cause and effect relationship between two or more variables. These principles are used to solve different managerial problems with the help of observation, analysis, and experience. And last, equal importance. All the principles of management are equally important. These principles may be used with equal efficiency by the managers at different levels of authority. So here we studied six characteristics of principles of management. First is universality, second is relativity, third is influencing human behavior, fourth is flexibility, fifth is cause and effect relationship, and last is equally important. So here this topic ends. In our next lecture we will be studying need for principles of management. Till then, thank you, goodbye.